Hey guys, welcome to SkillTube. Today in this short video we are going to discuss how to mark mezzanine floor in PreDCR. So let's get started. As you can see, we have to mark the mezzanine floor which is just above the ground floor. Before that, let's talk about the mistakes we do. We simply go on assign name, then we select floor name, and here we click on floor names, and as we can see there is no mezzanine option, but in actual it is located here. So when we click here, the second mistake we do is we simply click on the OK button, which is not the right process. So a message appears on our screen, as you can see, please assign container floor name for mezzanine floor. So the right process is you have to go on PreDCR and then click on assign name, then we have to go for floor name. Here we have to select mezzanine floors, and from this window we have to select the ground option or the floor above which our mezzanine floor is located. Single click will not work, so you have to double click on the floor name. Now you have to select the floor polyline for which you have to mark the mezzanine floor, and then in section also you have to click on the floor in section polyline. Now you can see we have marked our mezzanine floor in floor polyline as well in floor in section polyline. So that's all for today. If you have any queries or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in next video. Take care.